Hello, today we'll show you how to get a referral code bonus when you sign up. Simply go through the link down below in this video. This image is taken directly from the Bybit platform to explain how the bonus system works. For example, if you deposit $500 and trade up to $5,000, you will receive a $15 bonus. And the more you deposit and trade, the higher the bonus you can unlock, ranging from $50 all the way up to $30,000. So if you deposit $250,000 and trade $100 million, you'll receive a $30,000 bonus. And this referral code gives you the best head start, allowing you to get the maximum advantage when creating an account with Bybit. You won't find this offer anywhere else, and you will also unlock a variety of VIP benefits right from the start. So just click the link down below in the description and make sure to sign up through that link. Double check that the referral code 138399 appears on the registration page to ensure you receive the Bybit sign up bonus. So thank you for watching and good luck.